If you are modding a visual novel, the RPF or RPY file is the script. It's written in Python. You can open it with any text editor to read the game's dialogue. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's take a look. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized RPY tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. An RPY file is a script file used by the Ren'Py visual novel engine. It contains Python code and Ren'Py's own scripting language, which defines the story, characters, dialogue, and interactions within a visual novel. RPY files are the core building blocks of Ren'Py games, dictating the game's narrative flow. RPY files are plain text files that can be edited with any text editor. They use a combination of Python syntax and Ren'Py-specific keywords to define game logic, display images and text, play audio, and handle user input. The Ren'Py engine interprets these scripts to create the interactive visual novel experience. To ensure best performance with RPY, always start with Ren'Py from Tom Rothamel. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows can open scripts for review, but running them depends on compatible tools. To unlock this specific file type, right-click your RPY file and select Open With. If Ren'Py is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. We are looking for the software that recognizes the header. When your RPY file does not open, it is usually a small issue. We're dealing with a highly specific RPY file, so we must be precise. We need to run through this checklist and confirm all key details are correct. First, use VS Code or Editra. While you can use Notepad, it's best to use Visual Studio Code with the RPY extension. This will highlight your code errors in red so you don't break the game. Next, watch the indentation. Ren'Py uses blocks of space to understand logic. If your label isn't aligned perfectly with your jump command, the game will crash with an indentation error. Finally, clear the RPYC. If your game isn't updating after you edit the RPY file, go to the game folder and delete all files ending in RPYC. The engine will generate fresh ones on the next launch. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.